Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Welcome back, everybody. We are live down at the Lane Event Center for the Lane County Home Improvement Show. Just kicking off. In fact, we just heard them announce a second ago that they just kicked things off. We're starting to see a nice crowd filter in here, and I'll tell you what, the vendors have come strong. Everything from contractors to roofers to patio cover guy behind us there. We've got the extension service from OSU. We've also got all kinds of vendors here. If you've been thinking about any kind of home projects, this is the place to be, not only tonight, but most of the weekend. And get you out of the rain as well. That would be very nice. So let's talk about the rain. Let's head outside right now to the Storm Tracker 9 live radar sweep and show you what we've got. For the most part, it is going to be a little soggy tonight. We'll likely keep those temperatures on the cool side too. You can see that front continuing to drive in from Eugene all the way up towards Portland. Now, the good news is the back end of that cuts off pretty quickly. So that does mean probably, I'd say, after midnight, we'll see most of that rain start to wrap up. Now, as you might expect, if you head out to the area football games tonight, it's going to be a little soggy out there. We'll keep those temperatures very cool in spots. And, in fact, we'll likely be looking at widespread 50s and probably some upper 40s sprinkling in. Some stronger showers north of Corvallis as you work your way up towards Salem. And we'll also be looking at a bit of a cooler forecast to start your Saturday. But there is a chance we could get some good dry time as we head in towards the afternoon. We'll talk about that coming up in just a second. Overnight tonight, though, we'll keep a few lightly scattered showers around, probably, as I said, after midnight. Those will be wrapping up. The winds will stay out of the southwest, so that should keep everybody right around 50 degrees. And we'll keep things fairly breezy out along the coast as well. So here's how things shake out for your headlines. We'll see a soggy start to your Saturday, but then by the afternoon and into the evening, we're likely looking at a dry one. And that will extend into Sunday, but Sunday night, overnight into Monday, we've got a real good soaker setting up, and that one is going to keep things fairly wet. So here's how it breaks down. First front moves through. You see that little window on Saturday where things break, and then a whole gob of rain coming Sunday night into Monday as that front slides through. So let's take it hour by hour as we roll in through the clock. Overnight tonight in towards tomorrow morning. Again, lightly scattered showers. Most of what you'll see tomorrow will be pushing up into the mountains and then continuing in towards Central Oregon for some much-needed rainfall for all the folks out there fighting the Pole Creek fire, which, again, is about 90% contained, but it certainly is nice to see that. Most of Saturday afternoon, if you headed out to Alton Baker Park, will be dry for the duck drop at 12 o'clock and the Great Rotary Duck Race for tomorrow afternoon. Now, the coast, though, unfortunately, is probably going to see some early rain, and we'll see a few sunbreaks by afternoon. Not many out there. Temperatures will hold right around 60 degrees. 7-day forecast shows a bit of a break as we go to Saturday and Sunday, and then we'll start to see the showers push on back into the forecast Sunday night into Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, things will dry out. In the Umpqua, I do think we'll stay dry for most of the day, and those temperatures should get back up to the upper 60s to around 70. And then Saturday into Sunday, we're looking at a fairly dry time, and then Monday, things kind of bottom out again with the wettest day of the work week. Into the Cascades, we'll see 8,000 feet. The freezing level temperatures there will hold into the 50s. Central Oregon, some much needed rain, keeping their fingers crossed over the next couple of days for the weekend as well, as we'll be looking at a chance for some showers, probably best chance there on Monday. In the valley, we'll see those temperatures holding for the most part in towards, I'd say, right around 68 to probably 66 degrees tomorrow. And then the forecast as we go to the 7-day looks fairly decent for Saturday afternoon and Sunday. It's going to be breezy ahead of the rain. Monday, though, will be the big soaker. So as we said, if you want to be out here tonight, we'll be out here through 6 and 6:30. Crowds just starting to get involved. Right now, let's send it back to the studio. Justin Stapleton live down at the event center, KEZI 9 News.
You look like you're having fun out there, Justin.
Oh, it's a blast out here, guys. I'm telling you what. If I had any green thumb at all or any idea how to cut and like construct things, I'd absolutely look these vendors up. But this is why these guys do it and I don't. I just do the weather.
I bet they could help you.
I know, they probably could.
Thanks, Justin.
You got it.